Welcome back. If you want to quickly find every fundraiser you help manage on the Facebook app using a PC, this new update makes it pretty simple once you know where to look. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can get to the right page without wasting time searching through menus. First, open the Facebook app on your PC and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Once you're in, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This opens the main menu where Facebook keeps your account and activity settings. From there, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. After that, click on Activity Log. This is the section where Facebook stores a record of different actions and categories related to your account, so it's the best place to start when you want to check your fundraiser activity. Inside Activity Log, look for your Facebook activity. This section groups different types of actions together, making it easier to find the exact feature you need. Now, click on Fundraisers. Once you enter that section, you should see the option called Fundraisers You Help Manage. Open that option, and Facebook will show you the list of all the fundraisers you currently help manage. If you've worked on multiple fundraiser pages, this is where you can review them all in one place. You can check the details, see what's active, and verify which fundraisers are connected to your account. If you don't see what you're looking for right away, take a moment to make sure you're using the right Facebook account and that you're following the updated menu path. Sometimes small interface changes can move things around slightly, but the steps should still lead you to the same section. And that's it. Now you know how to find all fundraisers you help manage on Facebook app on PC using the latest update. If this helped, you can now navigate the feature much faster the next time you need it.